Hello roller skaters. Today I am showing a move that I call the rodeo, or maybe there's another name. If y'all know it, please put it in the comments. But I just think it's kind of a fun little move to do, changing direction and spinning. I'll show it first. You can do this like stationary or traveling, but my easier way to do it is to bring my feet staggered with the knees bent, bringing my left foot on the wheel in front of the right foot, and kind of leaning to the right a little, on my outer right edge, my outer wheels on my right skate. And then I'm just gonna kind of do a little pull with my left heel toward me and turn to the right and like pick up like that. Does that make sense?
You do a spin.
Yeah, it's like a crossed up little wind up spin thing. So again, this is my easier direction. I'll try the hard way too. And then, so your weight on the right leg, knees bent, pushing that left heel out, kind of turning, head, shoulders to the right. And when I kind of pull back on that left heel wheel, I transfer my weight more to the right and kind of spin around, if that makes sense. Like so, and back down. It's kind of fun. It has a nice flow to it. Now I'm gonna try my direction that's not as natural. It's good to try both ways. You'll figure out what you like better. But this way, with the knees bent, weight on the left skate, bringing the right heel in front, sticking it out, kind of turning the head and shoulders to the left, and pushing onto that outer edge, those outer wheels on my left skate, and then bringing that right heel kind of back to me to kind of wick it around and spin. Woo! You can see that one's not as good, but let's try it again. Bending down and kind of trying to pull the front skate back as you go onto your outer edge of your back skate, the heel wheels, and you kind of spin backwards, I guess. One spin around and back down. And you can do this traveling. If you do this traveling, you kind of, when you flow with it, it will end up rolling backwards naturally.
That's cool looking.
What do you think of that? Shall I try the other direction? My unnatural direction? Woo!
Yeah, that looks fun.
Yeah, does that look better when you travel?
Well, it looks fun that way.
Let me try that again. Traveling, a little slow travel at first, and then backwards. And let's try that the other way, shall we? Slow traveling. Woo! All right, I call that the rodeo. I think it's kind of fun because it could be like a transitional move, or just do it for fun.
Like the link moves together, you mean?
To link one move to another. I mean, if you want, you can just keep doing the same move, but you might get bored. Yeah. So anyway, that's what I call the rodeo. If you know another name, please let us know. And please like and comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.